Jersey pays tribute to its children. And this one is for Judy Blume. And coming up, I don't think there was a tween or preteen that did not read her books. Specifically, Are You There, God, It's Me, Margaret. And I think I just missed the entrance. So this entrance is a little tricky, but I have a second shot here. And we're going in to see what this is about. And if you don't know, on the Garden State Parkway, there's a tribute to whoever it's named after. And I think I like this one already because it's a Shake Shack. Okay, author Judy Blume. I can't wait to go home and look up some information and put on the titles for you guys. But there she is. She's a Jersey original. How cool is that? This rest area on the Garden State Parkway was pretty much like the other ones that we had visited, except sometimes the decorations might be slightly different and might be slightly bigger. Also, the vendors might be in a different arrangement. Judy Blume was born and raised in Elizabeth, New Jersey. She attended NYU in New York City. Although she is known for her novels for young people, she has written books for adults. As a child, she was constantly making up stories in her head, but she didn't think about becoming an author. When she became a homemaker after her first marriage, she started writing when her children were preschool age. Her books are known for dealing with life realistically, especially when it comes to sexual matters. Because of this, some of her books have been called controversial, but because they're still extremely popular, for me, that does not matter. She has won more than 90 awards and has written many books, about 15 for children, 9 for young adults, 4 or so for adults, 3 nonfiction books, and a couple of short story collections. Imagine, all of this for someone who is making up stories in her head. Several works have been adapted for film and TV. She relocated to Key West, Florida with her husband George. This was one of my favorite rest stops. I think it was a great tribute to Judy Blume. Okay, so after this rest stop, I'm headed back to New York, which means I won't be able to go all the way up the the Garden State Parkway in New Jersey and see the rest of the honorees who have rest stops named after them, but I shall be taking the trip to get there and see them. I'm the NYC Traveler.